Hi, my dear little ones of Nabadil Central and Model School family. Here it's me, Jifna ma'am. It is our third session today. So we have learned real and imaginary things in our last class. So I hope you have watched all our previous class, and if you missed any classes, please watch our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's move to the class. So today we are going to play a word game by using some letter cards. Do you know from where we can get the letter cards? Yes, we got the letter cards from our workbook last year. In the same way, we will get the letter cards from our second standard workbook. Am I right? Okay, let's open this workbook. Here is the letter cards. This is the letter cards. So before we start, we have to cut each letters and keep them in a box because it will be helpful for your coming word games also. See, these are my letter cards that I have made. Yes, these are the letter cards that I have made for playing this game. So many word games are waiting for you in this second standard. Okay, so I'll keep here. Here, ma'am will show you some letters. A, E, I, O, U, P, B, G and T. So here we are going to make new words by using these letters. Okay, so these letters I have taken from this workbook. So there are some rules in the game that you have to keep in your mind while playing the game. So the thing number 1, you should use at least one red card in each word. Once more, you should use at least one red card in each word while making this new words. Then you have to replace either by adding or by removing a letter from this word. Once again, here you have to replace the letter either by adding or by removing a letter from this word. So here we will start our game. Before that, listen carefully. I am going to write a sentence on this board. My brother sleeps on a cot. So this is that sentence. So from this sentence, which one is a simple 3-letter word? Which sentence, which word is that? Yes, it is this word. Let's take this coat. So, ma'am, I am going to write this word to here. So now we are going to play this word game here in this chart. So you have to be ready with your notebooks. So I'll give you some instructions. Some phrases I'll give you. So you have to listen me carefully what are the phrases that I gave. Then after you have to think it and what is the word we want to replace. Okay. So here, ma'am, now I am going to write this letter code here. I'll choose this. Which letter is that? It is C O T. So the letter coat. Okay. Then if we will replace the letter C with any one of these letters, which word do we get? I'll repeat once again. If we repeat here, if we replace this C letter with any one of these letter, so there is then after we will get a new word. Okay, so before that, here cot we made. Here I wrote a sentence, my brother sleeps on a cot. So from this I took a simplest word and I wrote here cot. So now we are going to replace, that means either adding or by removing a letter from any one of these. From any one of these letter. So if I am taking this A letter, replace with this C, what happened? Here this is the letter coat. So ma'am will replace this coat with this A letter. So this we will remove. We will remove this letter, and instead of this letter C, we will add a letter. It is A. A-O-T. Can you read out this word? Is there any proper meaning this word have? No, we can't read this word because it is here A, it is a sound out. We can't read this properly. This is a meaningless word. So like this, if we are taking these words, these red color letters into the beginning or into the last of this word, we didn't get a meaningful word. Okay, so let's take any letter from this black in color. From this, any letter in this black in color. Let's replace this C letter with this P. So I'll use this black color because ma'am take this black letter from here. So it will be changed into P. Sorry, because it is the red color. P O, then again it is T. Again it is T. Listen here, ma'am, I'll do that. I'll replace the first letter C with the letter P. So what happened? Here we get a new word, pot. So let's make a sentence with this pot. One sentence. Do you think any sentence with this pot? Yes, the sentence. Let's write my mother keeps water in a big pot. Yes, so here I'll make one sentence with this pot. So now let's replace this P letter with any one of this letter. Here we can take the letter G. What happened? Yes, if you are taking this letter G instead of this P, what about this word? Yes, which word do we get? Yes, there is another word we get. It is here G. Here ma'am take this letter, replace. I'll replace this P with this G. So it is G, and again here there is no difference in this middle letter. It is O. Then again this T. Right? So here we got another new word. Okay, then what happened if you are replace this G? If you are replace this first letter G with any one of this letter, goat, then boat, B-O-T, is there any meaning? No. Then tot, I think no. Okay, then let's move to the next letter. That means let's change this middle letter. So what happened? Which letter we need to take? Goat is here. So then ma'am take the same. There is no difference in this first letter. I'll take this G in the same. Then let's replace this O letter with any one of this red letter. Which letter we need to take? Yes, it is. Let's take this E letter. What happened? It is, ma'am, right here. This E letter. Then there is the last letter has also no change. So what about the word becomes? Yes, the goat changed into get. The word goat changed into get. Okay, like this, let's replace this G letter again. The first letter, let's replace the first letter G with P. So what about the new letter that you got? Yes, we got get. It will become P. Then again here there is no difference. Then E. Then again it is T. So here one more new word we got, which is that? Yes, it is pet. Okay. Then let's continue. Now I am going to replace this sender, this middle letter E with this I, the letter I. So what happened? Here P, then ma'am replace this E letter with this I. So here we got P-I, then 8. It will become a new word. It is pit. Okay. Yes. Then let's do our game. Here then it is pit. Then we got a new word pit. Then let's change the word last. Let's change the last letter of this word. Pity. So which letter is suitable to this word? Pit. P-I-B. Pip. P-I-T. Pit. It is already got. Then what about this? Can we take this G letter instead of this P? Okay, let's replace this T letter with any one of this letter. Which letter is suitable? Okay, let's take this G letter. So what happened? It is P, then I, then G. Yes, here we got a new word from this pit. It is pig. It is pig. Okay, then what we do next? Here pig is the, so now coat, pot, goat, get, pet, pit, pig. Then what do we next? Here, okay, then let's replace this P letter with B from this letter. So let's write, we replace this P letter with this B. So B, then I, then it is G. So the pig, it's from this word we got a new word. It is big. Okay, then after big, let's change the middle letter. Let's change the sender letter. So what letter you got? Here which letter we need to take? Any of these red letters, from which letter? Which letter is matching? Big. Okay, can we change this I letter? Let's change this I letter with this A. So what happened? What's the new word that you got? Here B is the same word. Then ma'am replace this I letter with this A. So A, then G. So the word big, it becomes changed into bag. Okay, then let's replace again. Here we can replace this B letter with T. So what happened? Yes, the P, we will replace the B letter with T. So we got another new word. It is T-A-G, our tag. Okay, then once more, let's replace one more letter here, tag. Then let's replace the middle letter. Okay, then let's replace this A letter with U. Sorry, here ma'am made a mistake. Here A letter, we can replace this A letter with U. So we got another letter. It is tag. Then one more letter, one more word we need to get here. Okay, which letter it is better to choose? Tug is here. Okay, let's replace this T letter with B. So what is the new word? Yes, we got another new word. It is B U G. So dears, so many words we got, right? So how did we make these new words? Yes, we made new words either by add or by deleting letters from the previous word. Let's see an example. Here, ma'am, take this word pet. P-E-T. So, how do we get a new word from this word pet? Here, which letter we replaced? Here we replaced the letter E. So we replace this letter E. We will get a new letter, new word. It is pit. What is the word? Pit. Then how many red letters did we used in each words? Yes, here we used one red card and two black cards in each words. Here we used in these each words one letter, one red letter and two black letter. What is the difference between these black and red letters? Yes, we have already learned these letters, these red letters from your first standard. What are the letters? Yes, these letters on these red colors are called vowels. What is? The letters on these red colors are called vowels, and the letters and the letters other than vowels is called consonants. And the remaining letters, you know, there are 26 letters are there in our English alphabet family. So the vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. The sounds of the letters: A has A, E has A sound, I has E sound, O has O, and U has A sound. So these are the sounds, and the remaining and all the other 21 letters are we called consonants. What is consonants? What is consonants? The letters, the remaining letters from the English alphabet except these vowels. Other than these vowels are called consonants. So let's move to our workbook. Here, page number 13. Let's move to our workbook, page number 13. Here also these same model of word games are here. So let's start. Read the phrases in the boxes and guess the word. Write the words in the blanks. So here there are some columns are there in this page. So you have to read the phrases. There are some instructions are given. So listen to the phrase and let's check what is the next word. Listen, I'll explain how to do this work in your workbook. Okay, I reach school at 8 a.m. So, here there is a letter, here there is a word circled. So, let's write outside the word at. Okay, then let's move to the next column, B. A pig is short and dash. There is a phrase, what is that? Add a letter to the beginning. So, from this word, you have to add a letter to make a new word and also which is suitable to this sentence. So, what is that word? A pig is short and, okay, let's take gat, bat. Is the word bat is matching with this sentence? A pig is short and bat. No, there is no matching with this. So, if we take the word fat, let's add a letter F in front of these letters. What happened? Yes, we will get a new word. It is fat. It is fat. F-A-T, fat. Okay, then in summer, I wear my sunglasses and my dash. So, what is that in the bottom of that column? There is change the first letter. In summer here, you have to change the first letter. So, if you are changing the first letter F, here let's replace this letter F with some other letter. So, which letter is better to choose here? Fat. In summer, I wear my sunglasses and my, yes, it is hat. Here, ma'am replace this letter F with letter H. Okay, then I dash the ball with my bat. There is change the vowels. Here, you have to change the vowels, the middle sound. Here, we see that the vowels are in red color. Right? Where is the place where we can see the letters, the red color letters on this word? Where beginning or ending? Which place? No, it is not at the beginning or ending. Then where it is? It is at the middle. It is at the center of the word. In each words, we can see these vowels at the center of this word. So, here they are asking that in this question, we need to change the vowel as a vowel. So, hat, dash, I dash the ball with my bat. So, hat, yes, when we change, let's change this A letter with E. So, it becomes hit, right? I hit the ball with my bat. Then the dog ran after the thief and dash him. There is change the first letter. So, yes, here the dog will, yes, bit him. Then let's move to the next E column, opposite of small, here bit, yes. When we replace this T letter, we get a new word. It is big. It is big. Then next F. I saw a small insect on the plant. So, which letter we need to change there? Change this vowel again. Here, change this vowel. So, I saw a small insect on the plant. Maybe it is a bug. Yes, it may be a bug. Here, we replace this I letter with the letter U. Then my mother poured the milk in my dash. Change the first letter. So, in my, we need to change this D. It will become a new word. It is mug. So, I think it is clear to you. Then next question. Make two sentences using any two of the above three letter words. That means you have to make two sentences from any one of this word. If you are taking this the word fat, yes, let's make a sentence with fat, or my brother is very fat, or like that you have to make two sentences from any of these words in the down below. So here today we have learned these vowels and consonants. Okay my dears, then let's move to the practice question from our textbook. There is page number 8. PQ question number 5, making words. Making words. So from the letter A, I'll read this. Use your letter cards to make as many words as you can with the letters S, G, D, A, N, R, O. So here the letters are S, G, D, A, N, R, O. So you have to make as many words you can by using these letters. For example, you can start from the small little words, 2-letter, 3-letter words. So let's write O and N. Yes, it becomes on. Then we need to change. Let's change the word O with R. So like this you can replace the letters. So at last you will get a biggest word also. So let's move to the B. The question B. Circle the words that make the dr sound. Here you have to circle the words that have dr. It is a blending word. So the words that have dr sound, you have to circle out from these words. So for example, dragon, drum, like that. So this is, you have to circle the words in the sound of dr. Then C. Make one big word that uses all 7 letters. So by using these 7 letters, you will get a biggest word. So just work it out and find the biggest word. And also after finding, you have to do one thing. Just write it on your notebook and take a photo and send it to me personally. Okay, I'll check. I want to check. Yes, who will get the first time? Who will get it? First word. Okay. So there is. Let's move to the next question. 6. PQ number 6. Imagine that you have found a magic lamp in your garden. PQ number 6. Imagine that you have found a magic lamp in your garden and think of 3 things that you would do with it. So it is about your wish from the first workbook. Yes, from the first question we did like this. Yes, about the boy. They may wish for a biggest house like that. So it is not about the boys, but it is depends upon your wish. You have to write 3 things. Okay, these are the homeworks that I have assigned for you today. So complete it and send it to me personally, the photos. And if there is any doubt, you can ask at any time, at anywhere. I'll be there with you. So bye bye. See you soon.